So, konnichiwa minasan, watashi wa Dhruv desu, anata no sensei, and in today's video, we will be comparing education system of Japan versus India, and I will also tell you some information or what kind of schooling is in Japan. So, without any further ado, let's get straight into it. So, minasan, first, in Japan, there is a play school. Like in India, we have play school, dolphin kids, etc. In Japan, we have a play school which is called as kindergarten, and in Japanese, it's known as yochin. Yochin. Yochin, which consists of age, means the age limit is 4 to 5 years, and it's mandatory. Means if the preschooling is going at home, it can go on at home only, and it's type of a crutch. We can say it's a type of a crutch. If both Japanese parents work, if both the parents work in Japan, then they can definitely send their kids to kindergarten, yochin. And in India, we simply have class LKG, only LKG, because the age limit is 4 to 5. In 4 years, the kid in India is in play school, and the age of 5 years, he or she is in LKG. Second, elementary school. So, schools are divided by names and age group in Japan. Like in India, we only have first class, second class, third class, fourth class, and there is no age. There is no age mentioned, but in Japan, there's a second stage of schooling which is known as elementary school, Shogakko, and it's compulsory. It consists of age 11 to 6 or 6 to 11, means the age limit is 6 to 11. So, if the student in India has a age limit of 6 to 11, he must have crossed class first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And like in JLPT, we have levels JLPT N5, then N4, then N3, then N2, then N1. In elementary school, they also have levels like for 6th is easy, then to age 11 it's tough, it's very tough. And in India, we have like grades, we give exams and we promote to another grade, which is first grade, second grade, third grade, fourth grade, fifth and sixth grade. Now, third schooling or third part of schooling in Japan, junior high school, from age 12 to 14, which is known as Chugaku. And elementary school is known as Shiogaku. Minasan, do let me know in the comment section that if you want a proper video on how the college study goes on in Japan. Is it smooth or is it very tiring or very tough? Let me know in the comment section. So, junior high school from age 12 to 14. In India, the kid must have done 7th class, 8th class and 9th class. But in Japan, it is known as junior high school. And one more thing, the student do not have to give the test until and unless she or he has passed junior high school. First, they have to cross junior high school, and in junior high schools, the subject that Japan teaches is Japanese, English, environmental studies, social science, science, moral studies, arts, music, and special activities. And in special activities, it consists of yeah, you saw it right, 1206 kanjis. So the kid of Japan, till he is in junior high school, he must have learnt 1206 kanjis thoroughly. And the last stage of schooling is high school, 15 to 17 years, which is known as Coco, and it's also compulsory. In India, we have done 10th class, 11th class, 12th class, and our school is over now. And high school. In high school, the Japanese student must have to give the test of JLPT. It's compulsory. Like in India, we give board exam in class 10th and in class 12th. But in Japan, they must have to give JLPT N5, N4 and N3 only. So minasan, hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Signing off for today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Sayonara.